Right. So rather than me showing you now each area, let's just go through a full project. Let me show you exactly what's going to happen, how I see it for you. So obviously you can go to projects and click new and fill out any information within here. But what I want to show you is that most of you are probably coming from Zoho CRM, aren't you? So what you've got in your Zoho CRM is you've got your deals going through your pipeline, and then I'm going to grab this one because it's a security based one, and I'm going to say it's a one deal, right? What's up with this? Oops, I didn't. That column's in the wrong place. I'm going to move it to closed one, which is probably where it already was. I was just surprised there's a few over there. So this is a one deal. So we're going to go here and say you've won this deal. So once the customer's signed off, you're going to create a project here. Look, Zoho project, create. And it's going to come up. Project name, project template. If you've got templates set up, I haven't got any set up. But if you're a security company, you probably have one for CCTV systems, for fire alarms, for burglar alarms, automatic gate. You probably have project templates set up for things that need to be done all the time, right? So I'm just going to say this, it's Big Birch Lake CCTV system, right? So I'm going to go add a project, Big Birch Lake CCTV system, right? So I can do it right from within CRM. Project template, there isn't any, but if I had a CCTV system that I did all the time, I would create a template with set tasks, set milestones, and do that. Project owner's me. Start date, let's say it's today. Well, let's say it's going to start in a week, and it needs to be finished by the end of March. A project group, if you group areas, if you group sections, so if it's an installation department, a service department, a support department, whatever department group you have, you can obviously add groups. Project overview, install full CCTV system at Big Birch Lake, liaise with Big John. I don't know, you'd write something. Obviously, there's more information if you want to. Billing status is billable. Billing method based on projected hours or staff hours. So projected hours is what you would put in your quote. Staff hours is more time and materials sort of work into. If you do things that you haven't given them a cost for, you would just add it up, but at least they could see it going up. Project budget, again, based on an amount that you've set, or based on based on hours that you're gonna go off, how many hours you've quoted, or an amount total. So this was, I think it was 10,000 on that back one there. Project users, we can add some users. Let's add the team. Done. I obviously haven't got the other two guys set up on here. Add client use. I'm gonna leave this blank, but obviously you can add here anybody within here. In fact, I'll add the customer who's tagged as the client, but I'll show you again later how to add more people. And save, right? And that builds your project. So now in Zoho projects, in your Zoho CRM, you've got a project. If you go back here and refresh just the project side, it's going to show up here, Big Birch Lake CCTV. So again, you can bounce around places and find things. So if you're a salesman and you've sold this job, you can actually go into it, if you're allowed, and see the status of it. So a lot of people that I work with in CCTV, the salesman gets paid when the job is completed, when the job's billed. They don't get paid on sign off. They get paid on invoice. So if you've done this sale from your Zoho CRM, you want to be able to go to this, hey, what's happening with that? Tag it however you want, and then go to the project and see. It actually shows you there, doesn't it, in a quick view. Let me go back. It actually shows you how far it's done, what's the issues. It's going to show you how close that project is to being completed. So you know when you're going to get paid, right? So again, you can jump around different places within Zoho to get to the same place, right?